Assalamu alaikum KG2. This is Wishes and Jua again with a new lesson, and today what we are going to do is unit number 2 of Oxford Progressive English. The topic is shopping, and lesson number 1, and the topic of lesson number 1 is lost. It's on page number 10 and exercise A, B and C. Let's proceed. This exercise number A is read the story. Alright, let's start. Look at the number 1 picture. Mummy, where are you? A girl is shouting, Mummy, where are you? It's a scene of a shop, and there's a family over there. There are 2 kids looking in the book, and one woman is there near the egg stall, and one woman is behind that girl, and that girl is Fiza. Mummy, where are you? Fiza is searching her mummy. In number 2 picture, what's your name? A woman asked from that girl named Fiza. I am Fiza. Where is mummy? She is telling her that I am Fiza. Where is mummy? And then they find Fiza's mummy, and mummy is saying, here I am. Mummy, Fiza is shouting again. In number 4 picture, Fiza's mummy is saying thank you, and that woman is saying goodbye. So it's a short story of a girl whose mummy is lost for some time, and then she got her. Exercise B is ask your friend, what's your name? At home you cannot ask from your friend, but you can ask from your family members, and they can answer you, I am dash, whatever is the name. Alright, exercise C is what can you see in the shop? So now you are supposed to tell your mama that what you can see in the shop, in this portion of the shop, in this cabin. Alright, now it's time for homework. And the homework is that you have to talk about the picture using what's this or who's this. It's on unit number 2, lesson number 2, listen and speak, exercise A and B, and page number 11. You are not supposed to send it to me, but you are supposed to do it definitely. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.